Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by three lovely ladies. Collab is Lissa at Green CrystalRose at home, Denise at Dazzling Designs by Denise, and Beverly at Beverly's Design Time. It's called a Glam July 4th DIY, and all we have to do is create a glam DIY that's July 4th theme. So it can be a DIY or a table centerpiece using Dollar Tree, dollar store items, and it cannot be more than $20 in total. And I found this wreath, so I purchased it, and I spray painted it blue, and I also picked up some white roses that I also spray painted blue so while my wreath is drying, I decided to just prepare everything. So right now what I'm doing is cutting out some bling wrap in the shapes of leaves. I'm also going to be putting rhinestones on some other items that I purchased for this project. Okay, and as I said before about the rhinestones, so here I am. I'm putting the rhinestones, on some of my flowers. I will not be putting rhinestones on all of the flowers, just some. So once I did a dry run by placing my flowers on my wreath where I wanted them to go, I used the hot glue from the hot glue gun to secure the flowers to the wreath. So this is the final step to my DIY, and what I'm doing right now is I'm adhering some of the bling wrap to the parts of the wreath that is not covered by flowers. I'm not putting it on all the areas, I'm just putting it on some of the area of the wreath. Now this is how my glam DIY came out. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and I would like to encourage you to go and look at the other participants. Now there is a playlist, and I will try to have the playlist link below. I would like to thank Green CrystalRose at home, Dazzling Design by Denise, and Beverly's Design Time. And this is Carol from Inspired By, and thank you so much and have yourself a great day.